What happens when you match a 1/4-inch pneumatic drill with 6 drill bits and other things you need? You get this amazing toolkit that helps you handle tough drilling jobs. The air drill itself is very comfortable to use thanks to its rubber-coated grip and a lightweight. It also comes with a key wrench, air inlet, oil box, and plastic tool case. Do you need the perfect tool to drill small diameter holes in hard rock? This is the one for you, and you get practically everything you need to handle those jobs. We have the best price on this air drill toolkit, and we're proud to be the exclusive North American dealer of M7 air tools. Shop JB Tools and save.